Hi everyone, I know it looks like a second video that is the same as one I've already uploaded, but it's slightly different. This is a step-by-step photo, so that's bare skin. And now you see me applying my light color correcting tinted moisturizer. So it's a step-by-step photo video, just so you can see the difference that each step makes to my overall look. So here you can see me applying extra tinted moisturizer over my red spots. That means that by the time I come back, so that's me with the extra CCTM on, you can see that. This is foundation. So by the time you get to the end of the video, you will have seen how each step that I do builds up to the finished product. And I just thought I'd show you it in a bit more detail as well. So I'm using all of the same products that I normally do. So I'm not actually going to list them all for you. There's me just with foundation. I really want to focus on technique in this video. So there's a bit more of the tinted moisturizer, this time in the deep, doing the contour and bronzer. And as you can see, like I said, normal process all the way along. I just want you to be able to see how it all adds up. And pay attention to how that bronzer, by the time I took this photo, was already slightly adjusting to my skin color. So pearlizer for blush today, so a little bit of a shimmer to my look. And what's hiding under this blue sweatshirt is actually a white top with gold sequins. So you'll be able to see where the look is going when you know that too. So going in now, that is the Vanilla, that's the light foundation that I wear under the eye just to brighten. So I think this is a step that makes a massive difference when you look at the previous photo and then that one. And so I think that all the steps I take are worth it for a full makeup look, but this will let you judge for yourself too. So brows, Shadowsense in smoked topaz, and there you can see the difference again. It's really weird looking at this many photos of myself, but it really does show you the difference that each step makes. And yes, I was fighting the light changing as I took these, so I do apologize for that. Sandstone pearl on the lid just to create an even color to work from, especially given that I was doing a one color look, which is the warm gold shimmer that was in last year's Royal Gems collection. So as you can see, I put it all over the lower lid, then blended it up across the top of the lid, excuse me. And it was just a super simple look. I put quite a bit on because I did want it to be a deep, definitely there gold, given that it was there to match my top. You can put far less on and you will have a far more subtle look too. So that was snow, and there you go. There's a bit of an awkward photo of me, but you can see that I've got the shadow on, the UnderSense going on, and then the Volume Intense Mascara. And again, this step makes such a difference. I mean, it's with or without mascara, it's massive. There you go, mascara is promised. And I was someone who, before I found SeneGence, never stuck with a lipstick for more than a couple of weeks, never stuck with a mascara, because I just found them too much hassle. So the fact that I've had this total conversion and total addiction to makeup now really does show you how much I love these products, because I used to be a foundation and blusher girl and call it good for years, until I was about 30 in fact. So there you go, there's some eyelashes to add, and I used Blu-Red Lipsense this particular day. I've been working through all of my red lippies again, trying to figure out which one I want to wear on Christmas Day. And I think I have reached the conclusion that it will probably be Fly Girl or Red Lantern. I'm not sure. So many great ones to choose from. I just think that this red is a bit too bright for the leopard print skirt that I'm going to be wearing on Christmas Day. But there's a bit of a story for you, a bit of a sidetrack in this video. But as you know, Lipsense, you apply it in 3 thin layers, dry between each layer, and no, it's not necessary to use a fan. I just try to speed the process up, and it normally takes me less than 10 seconds between each layer. That was Glossy Gloss, so now you can see me with lips on as well, and there's the finished look. I hope you've had a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.